Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Standard and Stanbic Bank. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, the full tabs app settings. On above you can search about Standard and Stanbic Bank. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and